So alright, so here I am back in my house, back with my cloth, my video camera. I was using my phone to shoot those other two, not very good camera. I think video camera's obviously better, because that's what it's made to do, unlike my phone, which is not made to do that. Okay, so today what I'm going to show you is something with a prediction trick. I will show you how to do it after the performance. I just gotta get a piece of paper real fast. Okay, paper and pen. Alright, so what you can do is you just say, alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shuffle the cards. Just like this. The cards shuffle. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a prediction. And I don't want you to see it, so. Okay, so I have my prediction down. There. So now I'll even mix up the cards again. Alright. So now what I'm going to do, these cards are mixed up, I don't know. I'm going to take my prediction right here and I'm just going to slide it in anywhere. I'll go right here. Just like that. I don't know what cards those are. You don't know what cards those are. Well, let's find out. Let's see what we have here. My prediction was Queen of Diamonds and Four of Hearts. Queen of Diamonds and Four of Hearts. And we have the card, which I just randomly put in here, in between two cards, which are the Four of Hearts and the Queen of Diamonds. Okay, now the tutorial for this. Pretty easy. Memorize the top and bottom card. That's going to be your prediction. Alright, so in this case we'll just change out. I don't want to use that. It's kind of the same. Guess we have the Queen of Clubs and the Five of Clubs. And what you're going to want to do is you can false cut after you write your prediction down. But you want to remember the top and bottom card. The Queen of Clubs is going to be on top. Five of Clubs on the bottom. So when you say you're going to write a prediction, just write down those two cards. Queen Clubs. Five Clubs. Alright. So you want to flip it over so they can't see it. And then what you're doing is you are truly just putting it anywhere. It doesn't matter where you put it. I was going to put it right here in between the King of Clubs and the Eight of Hearts. So you just sit it there face down so you can't see it. Like this. And most people won't catch it, but some people will, so be careful with who you're doing it with. If it's one of those people that's very observant, you don't really want to do this. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to flip the deck over. Not flip the deck, you're going to flip the deck over where it goes. So basically what you're doing is you're setting the Queen of Clubs right on top of it, just like that. And then you're just going to set the rest of it on top of that, which is the Five of Clubs. So basically you're just moving the Queen of Clubs and the Five of Clubs on top of the two, which leaves the Queen of Clubs and obviously the Five of Clubs right in between. It's pretty easy, I think. Leaves you with the Eight of Hearts and the King of Clubs on top, which is the card that you originally put it in between. Pretty good. The only thing is the people that are observant can mess you up, so you're going to want to watch out with that. Okay, so one last time. Memorize top and bottom card. Write it down. In this case, 10 of Hearts and 4 of Diamonds. So what you're going to do is you're just going to slide a piece of paper in with the prediction written down, obviously. Or you can have the spectator slide it in so they don't think that you know where it is. And when you do it, basically all you're doing is just flipping it over. so you know exactly what's in between, which is the 10 of hearts and the 4 of diamonds. Just like that. It's really pretty easy. It doesn't take long to learn. The only thing would be when you're going for the flip over, you want to make it less obvious that you're doing it like that. Most people won't catch on, like I said, but just in case they do. Alright.